Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a luxe little number from the world of at-home grooming, the Margaret Dabbs London Manicure and Pedicure set. Housed in an elegant vegan leather case and filled with brushed stainless steel tools, this six-piece kit promises professional-grade results for your nails, whether you're doing a quick tidy-up or a full-on spa night from home. At first glance, this kit looks like it belongs on the vanity of someone who truly values quality over quantity. Inside, you'll find a professional nail file, a super shiner buffer, a cuticle pusher, nail scissors, and a foot file, all made from brushed stainless steel. The packaging is just as sleek, with that soft-touch vegan leather case making it a practical and polished travel companion. When I added this set to my routine, I immediately noticed how streamlined and intentional it felt. There's no filler here, just 6 well-crafted tools that get the job done. The nail scissors have that precise snip you want when shaping, without the tugging or fraying you sometimes get with dull blades. The super shiner buffer? It genuinely lives up to its name. I used it on my natural nails without polish, and they look glossy enough to pass as a gel top coat. The stainless steel cuticle pusher also deserves a shout-out. It's angled just right to gently nudge back the cuticle without scratching or damaging the nail plate. And let's not overlook the travel-sized foot file. It's surprisingly sturdy for its size and gives solid results on dry heels, making it ideal for quick touch-ups on a weekend trip or during a break in your hotel room. Now, is this set flawless? Not entirely. While the tools are solid, the nail file is a bit aggressive for more delicate nails. If your nails are prone to splitting, you'll want to go easy or substitute in a gentler file for daily maintenance. And while the travel-sized foot file is functional, it won't replace a full-size model if you deal with tougher calluses. Still with me? If this review is helping you decide whether to invest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so more beauty lovers can discover honest expert reviews right here on Beautyistic. Your support really keeps us going. Back to the kit. Let's talk value. This is not your budget manicure set, but it's not pretending to be. For the price, you're getting long-lasting stainless steel tools, a beautiful presentation, and a portable format that actually holds up to real use. Compared to drugstore kits that often feel flimsy or gimmicky, this one holds its own and then some. If you're comparing options, think of the Tweezerman Mini Nail Rescue Kit. While it's more affordable, it lacks the refinement and luxurious finish of the Margaret Dabbs version. This kit would appeal more to those who care about craftsmanship and aesthetic, as much as function. It's one of those sets you'd be proud to leave out on your vanity. Build quality is excellent. The tools don't feel hollow or light. They've got just enough weight to them without being bulky. The vegan leather case has a premium hand feel, no weird smells, and zips open and close smoothly. I've been using it for a few weeks, and everything still looks brand new, which speaks to its durability. I didn't need to reach out to Margaret Dabbs customer service for this review, but they do have a strong reputation in the luxury foot and nail care space. They've built their name on expert-led grooming tools and treatments, and this set fits right into that brand promise. If the price tag gives you pause, you might consider alternatives like the aforementioned Tweezerman kit, or even individual tools from Revlon if you just want the basics. But if you're someone who values both form and function, or you're looking for a meaningful self-care gift, this set absolutely makes sense. You're paying for elegance, precision, and a curated experience, not just a pile of tools. To wrap things up, the Margaret Dabbs London Manicure and Pedicure set is stylish, effective, and thoughtfully made. It may not be for the bargain hunter, but it's a fantastic fit for anyone who wants salon-level results with minimal effort at home or on the go. Its strengths lie in build quality, sleek design, and tool performance, though it could benefit from a slightly gentler file for sensitive nails. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to shop this kit in the description or comments below. If you've tried it, I'd love to hear your experience. Did it live up to the hype for you? Drop a comment and share your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.